Hello, my name is Jörg and welcome to coachRED.net. In the last video, we added a selection toggle. In this one, we will add the select and deselect all feature. To start things off, I drag in a container right above my fruit list and into it a list divider and a checkbox field. The checkbox field gets converted into a regular container. The layout of the container is a bit off, so I go into Style, Layout and make it horizontal. The title label is not needed, so that goes. The visibility of the newly added container should be bound to the select toggle. Alright, the layout looks fine. Now to the logic of the checkbox. If the box is checked, I want to add all of my fruits to the basket, and if it's unchecked, the reverse. First, the if condition gets connected to the component on change event. The condition of the if is defined as a formula as output of another node, and here the bottom one, the event value. That gives me a true or false. If the box is checked, I want to set two page variables. The first one is the page variable basket, and I want to copy all of the fruits into the basket. The first set page variable gets connected to the top notch of the if condition, so when the checkbox is true. The variable name is basket, that's alright, and the assigned value is a formula. I am looking into the list functions and therefore a function called map. Map transforms each item of the list into another. So I want to transform each item of the list fruits into the list basket. Map has two parameters, the list and the transform formula. And in the transform formula, I have the item and the index. The list I want to transform is my page variable fruits. And the transform formula is a JSON object, hence the curly brackets. The key is name, and the value is item.name. Next page variable to set is fruits. Here we want to check all the boxes. The variable name should be fruits, not basket, and the assigned value is a formula again. We can use the map formula again, that transforms a list to another. The list parameter is the page variable fruits itself, and the transform formula is a JSON object, hence the curly brackets. The key is name and the value is item.name. The second key is select and the value is always true. We want to have all checkboxes turned on. Now to the case when the checkbox is deselected. We want to empty the fruit basket and set all the checkboxes to false. I drag in another set page variable and connect it to the bottom notch of the if condition. The variable name is basket, perfect, and the assigned value is an empty list or custom list with 0 items. We can just save the formula here. The second set page variable flow function will set the list fruits to all checkboxes deselected. The variable name should be fruits. The assigned value will be a formula with the map function again. The list to transform is the page variable fruits, and the transform formula very similar to what we just had. It's a JSON object, and the first key is name and the value is item.name, and the second value is select, and here the constant false. Great, let's save it to test the app in the preview. I tap on select toggle and all the checkboxes appear, but the top one shouldn't be checked. Let's fix that. I select the checkbox and go into properties and set the value to false. Saving it and tapping the select toggle, and it all works. Banana, avocado, the old functionality works as well. Now this select all checkbox and bingo! All fruits are in the basket and all checkboxes are set. Next, deselecting avocado and raspberry and they're out of the basket. Now deselecting them all and the basket is empty and all checkboxes are unchecked. Perfect! That concludes the select deselect video. Thank you so much for watching and see you at another coachRED.net video.